I'm going to show you guys how to properly string your speed feed, because you guys don't know. You put it through there, see? Everyone knows this. You line it up. Make sure it's even. But here's a part not everyone knows. And this is the part that confuses everybody. Everyone turns this one and gets tangled up. But you're supposed to turn this one and you don't get tangled up. I got about 15 foot of line here. And you just turn the back one, and that's it. And you're good to go. No tangle, no issues, no problem. But all you do is do it the opposite way. You don't listen to high counsel, old schoolers. There you go.